Beyond the city, a sanctuary shaped by mist, mountains and green. Along the Panvel-Khalapur corridor and the Mumbai-Pune expressway, Mumbai 3.0 is taking form. New development is rising fast. Opportunity is moving with it. This is India's next economic frontier. Just 20 minutes from Atal Setu, the landscape changes, the pace softens. Welcome to Basalt Hills by Ascenta. More than a getaway, it's a legacy investment, an exclusive enclave of 179 luxury-serviced NA plots spread across 20 acres. A private valley where the air feels lighter and every arrival feels earned. From BKC, cross Atal Setu to Panvel and continue onwards to your hillside address. Situated just 30 minutes from the Navi Mumbai International Airport, 10 minutes from Khalapur Toll, and 15 minutes from Panvel and Karjat railway station. Enjoy dual metropolitan connectivity. Basalt Hills is about 60 minutes from Mumbai and Pune. Set within the Naina Influence Zone, a region planned for long-term growth and value, with proposed AeroCity, EduCity and Metro Line 8, shaping the next wave of infrastructure around Mumbai 3.0. As you approach Karjat Bhata, the journey turns scenic. The hills begin to lead the way. Beloved hills rise ahead, and a clear road leads you to your destination. From here, Basalt Hills is just a 10-minute drive. Take the right exit at Paurkolte Phata and follow the road in, and you arrive at Basalt Hills. A serviced estate set between forest and stone, designed for privacy and built for ease. Clear titles, NA plots, ownership that feels certain from day one. A proposed 24-meter DP road fronts the estate, designed for a smooth, wide approach. From your villa, the hills become your everyday view. Built on ancient basalt rock formations, the land carries resilience and timeless beauty. As the light shifts through the day, the villa takes on a new character. Living spaces open wide to natural light, bedrooms designed for quiet comfort, for nights that slow down, and private pools for your own rhythm. Every detail is curated for a resort-like lifestyle. From the moment you arrive, welcome service sets the tone. A personal concierge keeps everything ready before you even ask, so you can simply arrive and start living. Basalt Hills is where luxury meets the future of Mumbai 3.0. Basalt Hills by Ascenta. The timing is now.